31 degrees out and lots and lots of snow. It's supposed to continue snowing for the rest of the day. A couple inches so far, a few inches so far, and it's really weighing these trees down. So we might lose power, but we'll see. And as you can tell, gray skies, not much to look at, and a little windy.
Hey, April 1st, and here's our little blizzard. Looks like a foot right now. Sticky, wet snow. And about, can't make out the degree. Could be anything. This is going to be fun cleaning up. Here's out back. It's on the white side. He's crazy.
That's it for our weather today. Have a good day, everyone.